thunderstorms and rain to tell me farewell, sending me back to England from 32 degrees to -3. Temperatures coming down here too. It's not cold, still hot, but it's raining really fast. So it wants me to climatize. I'm gonna get back to the UK. Really fast rain and thunderstorms here in the village of Daman in Attock in Pakistan. So it's raining really fast. I feel strange to see this rain coming down here in the village. I've been here nearly 3 weeks and it's been like 27, 30 degrees plus every single day. It's rained only once before, but I was in Islamabad at that time.